Hi, I'm Paweł Spychalski, and you have no idea how much I don't know at all. During my review of the Radiomaster AG01 gimbals, I stated that there is something wrong because if I move the gimbal like that, it hits on the case itself. Turned out that I just, forgot to do one very important step during the installation of those gimbals, and if you have the same problem as I do, here is exactly what you have to do to have the AG01 gimbals installed correctly. So, what I did wrong? The original gimbals, the ones that you will get in your TX16, comes with the, let's say, complicated set of spacers that correctly position the gimbal in the case. The first one, and the fact you do have to remove the first one, is pretty obvious, because the first one is kinda duplicated in the shape of the AG01 itself, and it will just not fit if you have this one in place. However, I completely forgot that besides this spacer, there is one below it, this spacer over here, and this is the absolutely not needed part when you do want to use AG01. So remember to remove the both sets of spacer when you install the AG01 gimbals. The one that is fully visible with the original gimbals, and the one that, probably only acts as a beautifying element for the radio. Now, with both of those spacers removed, the gimbal AG01 sits much deeper in the case, and now, you see, it's not touching the case at all. Lesson learned: always read the instructions manual. That was pretty simple, right? If only I read the instruction manuals in the first place before playing with the real deal over there. Thank you very much for watching and happy flying!